Let's take a fun little journey to a fascinating world happening inside our brain and blood cells. Imagine your body as a bustling city with tiny messenger signals constantly working to keep everything running smoothly. Today we're zooming in on some key players: calcium, oxidative stress, and the intricate dance of neurons and immune cells. Let's talk about calcium. Cytosolic calcium levels. Think of calcium as the body's little messenger that tells cells when to do things, like a tiny alarm system. When calcium levels spike inside cells, they can influence many processes, from muscle contractions to neurotransmitter release. But too much calcium can cause chaos. Speaking of stress, oxidative stress is a big buzzword. It's what happens when there's an imbalance between pro-oxidants, reactive molecules that can cause damage, and antioxidants, which are like the body's cleanup crew. Reactive oxygen species and reactive nitrogen species are mischievous troublemakers roaming around in your cells, potentially causing toxic damage if not kept in check. These molecules are produced during normal cellular activities, especially in mitochondria, the cell's power plants. But when they go overboard, they can damage DNA, proteins, and lipids, leading to pathophysiological processes like inflammation or even abnormalities in cells like oligodendrocytes, which are crucial for insulating nerve fibers. How does the body respond? Enter a nuclear factor erythroid 2 related factor, or NRF2. Think of NRF2 as the body's own superhero, activating cytoprotective genes that bolster defenses against oxidative stress. It turns on the body's antioxidant arsenal, helping to restore balance and protect cells from damage. Let's take a quick tour into the nervous system. In our brain's complex circuitry, dopamine, a neurotransmitter, plays a starring role. It's involved in feelings of pleasure, motivation, and movement. Areas like the striatum, which includes the nucleus accumbens, are rich in dopamine receptors. These receptors come in two main flavors, D1-like and D2-like. D1 receptors are like the gas pedal, promoting activity, while D2 receptors are more like the brakes, helping to slow things down. The pharmacological properties of these receptors are crucial because they influence how signals are transmitted across the pre- and postsynaptic membranes, affecting everything from mood to movement. Speaking of the striatum, it's part of a larger network involving the prefrontal cortex, hippocampus, thalamus, hypothalamus, and even the olfactory tubercle. These regions communicate via neural circuits to regulate emotions, memory, and behavior. For example, the hippocampus is key for memory formation, while the amygdala handles emotion. The thalamus acts as a relay station, and the hypothalamus helps regulate hormones and basic drives. Finally, dopamine's neuroanatomical distribution is quite widespread. It's heavily present in the striatum and nucleus accumbens. So in the grand scheme, our bodies are constantly balancing pro-oxidant and antioxidant forces, managing calcium signals, and fine-tuning neural circuits, all to keep us healthy, alert, and happy. It's a quick tour of the tiny yet mighty world inside us, full of signals, stress, and responses working together to keep us going.